Hey, how you doing, Legacy Team? This is Vince Pegler III, and as you know, each and every week, I'm going to come to you with the best deal that I find in Los Angeles. But speaking of the best, let me ask you this. Where do you go to find the best karaage chicken, the best tofu, the best noodles, the best Vietnamese food, and the best craft beer? Well, the answer to that is Sawtelle Boulevard. And what's better than to live within walking distance to the best? I'm located here at 1730 Sawtelle Boulevard in the prestigious SoHo Square. And I have a kicker for you this week because I'm actually hosting an open house this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, October 28th and 29th from 2 to 5 to give you an opportunity because this is rare. Normally these units don't come up for sale. So this is rare. Come by, check me out. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, over 900 square foot condo, and just check these pictures out. Welcome to the ultimate experience in contemporary Westside living. This beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, modern condo comes with Caesarstone countertops, pristine white cabinetry, eco-friendly stainless steel appliances, and the kitchen seamlessly opens into a spacious living room that's perfect for entertaining guests or evening at home. Not to mention, this unit has side-by-side parking. Okay, Legacy Team, I hope to see you this weekend. Again, October 28th and 29th from 2 to 5 here at 1730 Sawtelle Boulevard. I hope you're out there getting better at just being you each and every day, building your legacy. I'll see you this weekend. Many blessings.